Metal Forms Corporation has specialized in manufacturing steel forms for concrete construction since 1909. During these years, the company has consistently combined an excellent product line with reliable service. We are proud of the fine reputation developed during almost 90 years of operation. Metal Forms Corporation is committed to maintaining this reputation with quality products and innovative ideas for the concrete forming and finishing industry. When concrete finishing screeds were added to the Metaform product line, considerable thought and research went into producing a machine that would properly complement the company's excellent and well-established line of steel forms for concrete construction. The basic concept was to design a machine that would truly fill the gap between manual and automated finishing techniques. These concepts became reality at Metal Forms Corporation with the introduction of the Speed Screed concrete finishing machine to the construction industry. There are 3 distinct Speed Screed models available: the small ultralight, the intermediate light, and the large heavy-duty. The featherweight model, the Speed Screed Ultralight, weighs only 8 pounds per foot. This screed is used on construction projects requiring a highly mobile, easily transportable machine capable of accurate concrete finishing. The Speed Screed Light, which weighs 11 pounds per foot, is a large version of the ultralight and is designed to combine precise concrete finishing with easy transport. Both the ultralight and light excel on all types of slab projects, including floors, tilt-up, streets, widening, and highway patching. The heavy-duty model weighs 20 pounds per foot and is ideally suited for low-slump, high-production pours. This machine has been enthusiastically accepted by contractors engaged in placing large and often very thick pavements. A dimensional comparison between the 3 Speed Screed models is provided by these drawings. Regardless of the model selected, the Speed Screed can add a tremendous amount of versatility and flexibility to your concrete finishing operations. From small slabs to large paving projects, from wide pours to narrow patches, Metal Forms Corporation has the screed to meet your needs. Let's take a closer look at the design features that make the Speed Screed so unique. The design and construction of all Speed Screed models blend the best of both worlds: a rugged steel frame combined with aluminum finishing tubes. The steel frame is strong and durable, thus assuring that the entire machine will have long-term reliability and minimum maintenance. The remaining structure of the machine, the front and rear aluminum tubes, provides the precise finishing action needed for smooth and accurate concrete surfaces. The finishing tubes on all 3 models are easily reversed if the original wearing surface needs replacing. This reversible feature truly provides a double life for the front and rear finishing tubes. Other screeds on the market require the purchase of additional finishing angles or blades when the original finishing surface wears out. Aluminum finishing tubes permit a solid yet simple interlocking screed connection. An outside saddle bracket works in conjunction with the inside sleeve to provide accurate tube alignment and a sturdy reinforced joint. An additional advantage of aluminum tubes is the ability to move and carry a roll of concrete ahead of both the front and rear tubes during finishing operations. The rolling action created by the tubes helps prevent voids and greatly reduces the amount of labor needed to level concrete ahead of the machine. Another advantage of aluminum finishing tubes is the relative ease of cleaning the machine after operation. Unlike angle blades, tubing does not accumulate concrete. All Speed Screeds are designed to quickly adjust to variable width pours. Each machine extends to the desired width in easy-to-assemble 10-foot, 5-foot, and 2 1/2-foot sections. The three Speed Screed models incorporate similar vibration systems. Strategically located eccentric weights supply even vibration over the entire length of the pour. This vibration may be varied by altering the engine RPMs according to the slump of concrete and/or the speed of the pour. The use of tubes as opposed to angle blades permits the majority of vibration to be sent directly into the concrete. Therefore, the vibration is not scattered in other directions, as is the case with angle blade screeds. The vibration system is designed for long life and does not cause damage to the bearings. All bearings used are pillow block, self-aligning, and grease type. Turnbuckles with lock nuts provide fast, positive adjustment for various crowns and slopes. Each screed section is supplied with a turnbuckle, and as more crown is required, a series of short screed sections can be utilized. This Speed Screed was quickly adjusted from placing a flat floor to paving a 22-foot wide street with 4 inches of crown. Winches are used to advance the Speed Screed forward during finishing operations. Hand winches are standard equipment on all models, while hydraulic winches are optionally available on the heavy-duty and light models. Hand winches are normally operated from opposite sides of the machine. However, one-side winching is also available. This labor-saving option permits one person to operate both winches. The hydraulic winch system is direct drive and therefore does not require any belts or pulleys. The hydraulic winches are independently controlled and allow a smooth rate of forward travel. A distinct advantage of the winching system is that a conversion from a hand to a hydraulic setup can be achieved in the field. All hand winch light and heavy-duty models are supplied with hydraulic pump mounts to facilitate this conversion. Each screed has a self-contained power source. A wide range of gas-powered engines equipped with a centrifugal clutch conveniently mount on either a 5 1/2 foot or 10 1/2 foot power section. The lift handles on each side of all Speed Screeds permit easy maneuvering and transport. These handles conveniently fold away when not in use. Lift handles, in conjunction with dolly wheels, maximized the ability to handle and transport this Speed Screed. The design features just reviewed enable the Speed Screed to handle a wide variety of concrete finishing and paving projects. The following job site applications highlight the great versatility of the 3 Speed Screed models. Construction of concrete floors is a popular use for the Speed Screed. On this project, over 1 million square feet of concrete was finished by this Speed Screed Light. The 28-foot wide screed with hand winches accurately placed and consolidated bays that were 8 inches thick by 25 feet wide. On another flatwork project, a Speed Screed was used to place warehouse floors. The machine was equipped with hydraulic winches, which permits forward travel to be infinitely variable from 0 to 12 feet per minute. Hydraulic winches allowed this Speed Screed to virtually run by itself. This was also the case on another project, which involved finishing floors for a UPS building. An underground floor for a building expansion was placed by this Speed Screed Ultralight. The ultralight model was preferred for this job since easy handling and movement of the screed was of critical importance. The Speed Screed Heavy Duty is specifically designed for low slump, high production pours. Airport paving is an excellent example of this type of application, and here the heavy-duty model is shown placing a 16-inch thick by 25-foot wide taxiway. The contractor performing this work purchased 2 screeds for their paving projects, and both units were equipped with self-advancing hydraulic power winches. Metal Forms Corporation is proud of the fact that its heavy-duty model has been approved for use on numerous federal, state, military, and international paving projects. This contractor purchased a heavy-duty screed for several applications, including subdivision streets, lane widening, and alley paving. On this application, their Speed Screed is paving a 16.5 foot wide alley having a 4.5 inch inverted crown. Although primarily used as a paving screed, the Speed Screed Heavy Duty easily adjusts to other applications. For example, here the machine is working on a 60-foot wide slab for a tilt-up building. High early strength patching is playing an important part in the rehabilitation of our nation's roads and highways. Here, the Speed Screed Light is shown on a state highway patch job which specified a super high early mix. Despite the very sticky consistency of this concrete, the Speed Screed produced an excellent finish in only one pass. After the pour, Tom Miller of Metal Forms Corporation asked Jim Seacard of Quality Concrete about the special patch mix and the results achieved with the Speed Screed.
This is a high early. In other words, the traffic's going to be on it within 8 hours.
8 hours, this road will be open to traffic, and this is a 9-bag mix with chloride. And
so you just make one pass with the machine and that's it?
We've been making one pass with this machine, where the other brand we had to make 2 passes and sometimes 3 in order to get the same finish.
The Speed Screed is adaptable to all types of concrete paving projects. Here, a Speed Screed, equipped with hydraulic winches, is placing a 30-foot wide, 10-inch thick street pavement with 4 inches of crown. In a different paving application, a screed was used for lane widening. An adjustable offset plate allowed this Speed Screed to finish 6 inches beneath the top of the form. Replacement of several bridge deck approaches was accomplished by this Speed Screed Ultralight. The pavements required a 3-inch parabolic crown, and under tight inspection, the screed produced consistent and accurate results. This machine, similar to most ultralights, was supplied with front baffle blades to help reduce the amount of raking and leveling required ahead of the machine. Screeds used for bridge deck paving often require modifications to properly perform the job. In this situation, a special end frame was designed to straddle reinforcing steel that was already in place. The adaptation, combined with the hydraulic winch option, allowed this Speed Screed Light to accurately place a 10-inch thick by 24-foot wide bridge deck. You have just viewed Speed Screed successfully operating on a variety of concrete finishing and paving projects. This is just a small sampling of the superior results that have led to the very popular acceptance of these machines in the marketplace. The Speed Screed has lived up to the fine reputation of reliability and excellence developed by Metaform Products since 1909. Rely on the products of Metal Forms Corporation for all your concrete forming and finishing requirements. Our service is fast, dependable, and complete. For more information on any of our products, please contact Metal Forms Corporation.